y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making little girl Christmas gifts. I've taken the measurements for my bonnet and I've drawn it on the fabric, and now I'm cutting it out. I use satin for one of my circles so that it will not pull on the hair, but you can use the same fabric if you like. You will need to sew the pieces together with the pretty sides facing each other. Make sure not to sew them closed. You need to leave an opening to turn it right side out. So don't forget. Now you're going to iron it and then sew a pocket for your ribbon and elastic. Ooh, and please excuse my shaky table. I'm so sorry. I placed a safety pin at the end of my elastic and ribbon to thread it through the pocket. Make sure you follow these same steps for the bag also. Finish off the bag by sewing in between where you put the ribbon. And that's it. You have some cute gifts for the kids. I will put a list of the things that I used in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.
go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk